Alrighty, finding terms. The rule or equation that describes the sequence can be used to either extend the pattern or to find other terms. Alrighty, writing an equation that describes the sequence 5, 7, 9, 11, then find the 14th term. Alright, so first term 5, second term 7, third term 9, fourth term is 11. Okay, what are we doing each time? Alright, let's take a peek here. Alright, it's 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11. Well, it looks like we're adding 2 each time. So, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Okay, the terms have a common difference of 2. This is 2 times the difference of the term of numbers. It's just that whatever term we have equals 2 times the number of term. However, so if I look at the first term here, and I go 2 times 1, because that's term 1, which is 2, plus what has got to give me 5. Well, I got to have 3, so I need to add 3. Does that make sense to everything else? Let's look at term 2. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7. Check. Alright, so I work for the rest. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Good. Alright, so a term is 3 more than 2 times the number. So the term equals 2 times whatever term we have plus 3. We're looking for the 14th term, so we got, our equation was 2n plus 3. So 2 times 14 plus 3. 2 times 14 is 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. So the 14th term is 31. Alright, let's scroll down. Dun, dun, dun. Example 2. Daisy made the figures shown at the right with tiles. Each tile is made up an area of 1 square foot, so 1 by 1. If she continues the pattern, which figure would have an area of 25? Alright, so we have an area of 3. We have 3 blocks. I got 5 blocks. I got 3 plus 2, 5, 7. And I got 3 plus 3, 6, plus 3 more is 9. Okay, so what's happening each time? Well, that looks familiar. That looks like our common difference is 2. 3, 5, 7, 9. So we have 2 times whatever term we're at. And however, if I look at the first term, 2 times first term plus what gives me 3? Well, 2 plus, 1 equals 3. Alright, so we got, let's double check here. Let's pick the third term. 2 times 3 plus 1. Well, that's 6 plus 1. Is that 7? Indeed it is. So A equals 2t plus 1. And we want to know when we have 25 square feet. We got 2t plus 1. So let's solve this. I don't have much room here, but we'll make it work. And plus 1, so minus 1 first. So we got 24 equals 2t divided by 2. And t is 12. So figure 12 is going to have 25 square feet.